Efficient fuel consumption. 5 pounds. Increases engine performance and throttle response. Package dimensions. 16.002 L x 88.265 H x 55.88 W centimeters. Increases engine performance and throttle response. Top reviews from the United States. I'm pretty sure it's the same as factory. I attached an image of the original factory radiator from my 2007 Matrix for reference. The original Toyota stamped radiator said Denso MFG underneath, so good enough for me to use this and assume it is probably the same I would get from the dealer for 3x the price without the Toyota label. Packaging is subpar, so check it out instead of letting the return window pass in case there is damage. Replaced this as well as the radiator cap and upper and lower radiator hoses. Used Toyota for those, for peace of mind prior to a road trip on my 170k mile car, large portion through the desert. Very happy with the purchase.